Alright, now this is gonna be a fun video. This is a video I haven't done since 2021. This is gonna be another lock video, and I bought and ordered a package from Franklin, Wisconsin, and here it is now. So, let's get into it. And I took the top off, so both of our addresses were on it, and I didn't want to expose both of them, so, and oh my goodness. And yeah, this is the one I was excited to see in person, because I have actually never seen this lock ever. I am really excited to try this out. It sounds so cool. Okay. Alright, to start with the unlocking process, I'm going to start with these three. And yeah, they look super cool. I really like this theme. And yeah, let's do it. Combination on this one, 39, 29, 15. Nice. So there's the lever. I think all of the levers are the same, but yeah, I mean, except for this guy, which I'm saving this one for last because I'm super excited for it. So that was the first one. This one here is 18, 20, 30. And the dial sounds a little different, which is kind of interesting. There we go. So there's this one. And now this last one here, which the code is printed onto the metal, which I'm not a big fan of that, but I mean, I'm not gonna use these for any personal use anyway, so it's not gonna matter. Anyway, 1226-4 is this one. Nice. So that is it with these three. And we'll move on to the next. Alright, now for these two. So there is a little scratch on this one, and that was my Motorola MWR822 for low battery, I'm sorry. But anyway. Yeah, this is a pretty interesting looking combination lock, and there's the code. 10034. Alright. Ooh, dial feels really nice on this one. The last, 34. Uh-oh. What? I just moved it offset once and it just opened. I'll try that again. I want to see what that was about. Okay. 30. That's weird. It's opening on 33 and not 34. Interesting, but as long as it opens, that's fine. So, I wonder if this one does it too. This one's 14030. So, 29 maybe? Yeah, it's doing it too. Dang, I've never experienced that on a Master Combination lock ever. But, hey, I mean, they opened, so no complaining about that at all. Alright, now we'll move on to this one, which it's an okay color combination. Not really too big for me, but let's open it. 0216 is this one. Okay. This one felt really good too, so that is awesome. Alright, on to this traditional one here, which is the only one with key control, but I don't know which key it takes, so can't really do anything about that. And this is the only one that comes with this tag, so pretty neat. 20, 26, 20. All right. Oh yeah, I love the sound. I love the sound these ones make. And it is a lot stiffer, which I like. This is a really nice one. And yeah, there you go. Now to this really cool looking one, which has the color fading across the side. Yeah, I like the style a lot. There are a couple dents, but I mean, not affecting performance, I'd imagine. So, and the combination is also printed on the back, which again, not really a big fan of that, but I'm not using it for anything personal, so there's that. Anyway, 22814 is the code for this one. Nice. That was a good one. So let's move on to the next two. Yes, I said two because of these twins. So I really like the American flag look on them. I think it looks really, really nice. And there's the combination of the first one, 616-2. Two. There we go. Ooh, this is really catchy. And yeah, it's a little stiff, but I'm probably gonna have to break it in a little bit. And now what's funny about these two is that the 6 and 16 are in a different order, but yeah, I don't know. That was kind of interesting whenever I saw that. But anyway, 28616 is this one. There we go. And this one feels a little bit smoother, but a little, I mean, again, a little stiff, but obviously I'm gonna break them in and see how that goes. Now to this one, which I've been waiting to unlock pretty much during this video. It just looks so unique. And I actually have not seen one of these in person until now. But anyway, 1717. Yep. And okay, you hold that, and wow, that is really cool. And has a ball bearing locking lever. Wow, this is an amazing lock. I think I'm gonna unlock this one again, because that was that was really cool. And I'm pretty sure, oh wait, there we go. Okay, now it's locked. Let's try that again. Wow, this is an amazing lock. And I'm glad I own one. So yeah, that is super cool. And I will bring them in. I'll bring all of them in one shot and end the video. Alright, and this was the unboxing. So if you guys liked it, please be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. This was a ton of fun to make. Turn on my notification bell. And until then, I'll see y'all next time.